In this video I'm gonna show you 10 ways that you can make money from YouTube. So starting out with the first one, the most common way of making money on YouTube is from Google Ads. You can allow ads to play before, during or after your videos and you will earn a portion of that ad revenue. The amount that you will be earning is depending on the factors such as the number of views, the type of ad and the advertiser's bid. And to start earning money from ads, you need to meet the YouTube's partner program requirements, which is reaching 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Method number 2 is by sponsored content. You can work with brands and create a sponsored videos or incorporate products in your existing content. This can include product reviews, demonstration or sponsored mentions in your videos. The amount that you can earn from these sponsorships content will depend on the brand, the type of content and the number of views. Method number 3 is with affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate link in your video description and earn the commission when the viewers purchases products through those links. This can be a good way to earn money from your YouTube channel if you have a large following and your viewers are interested in the products that you're promoting. Method number 4 is through YouTube merchandise. You can sell merchandise related to your channel such as t-shirts, mugs, hats and etc. And you can also do that through YouTube merchandise platform. This can be a good way to earn additional revenue if you have a large following and your viewers are interested in the products merchandise related to your channel. Method number 5 is through crowdfunding. You can use platforms like Patreon to ask viewers to support your channel financially. This can be a good way to earn money from your YouTube channel if you have a dedicated following who is willing to support the content. And for the price of the monthly membership on that platform, you can provide them some exclusive content. Method number 6 is through channel memberships. Just like the other method, you can offer exclusive perks and benefits to the viewers who join the channel membership. This can include exclusive content, live streams and other perks. Method number 7 is through YouTube Live. You can do a live stream on YouTube and you can earn money from your live stream, and there's a feature while you're live streaming to receive donations from the viewers, and this could be a great way to interact with your audience in real time and earn additional revenue for your channel. Method number 8 is by selling courses. You can either create your own course or partner with other companies to promote their courses or their YouTube channel. And for example, if you're having animal channel, you can make a course on how you can train your dog to do some tricks. Method number 9 is through Supertanks. It is located next to the like button, and anyone that wants to support the channel can leave a comment, leaving also a donation on the comment, and that comment will be highlighted. And method number 10 is by freelancing. You can take your viewers and redirect them to other platform where you offer some services. For example, if you're a video editor and you have an account in Fiverr, you can redirect them there so they can buy your services and you can start editing their videos for money. So these are 10 ways that you can monetize your channel. Also make sure to check out this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Leave a like if this video was helpful, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video.